Alright, what's up guys? Doing a break of 13-14 Innovation Basketball, one box. Get into it. Get 2 autos and 1 memorabilia per box. Alright, open that. It's pretty easy. Didn't have any trouble with it. Nice cool box here. Alright, we're looking for the Kaboom cards. There we go. First card is a, I think they call it a glass card of Cody Zeller. Then we get a Ricky Rubio patch, stat line. Here we got a Greg Oden auto. That's numbered to 325. Next we get a Torrey Murray for the Knicks auto. Next we get a starters, the Knicks card. Melo, Raymond Felton, Tyson Chandler, Mon Shumpert, and Andre Bargnani. Oh, nice card here. We got a Gordon Hayward, number 3 out of 10. Innovation, Gordon Hayward, number to 10. See that right there? Number to 10, 3 out of 10. Probably the best card out of that box right there, Gordon Hayward. Not bad box. She got better than Greg Oden, but it's okay. Yeah, that's Innovation. Thanks for watching.